Hey there, friends! Welcome to our fun English lesson today. We are going to learn something super cool. How to say, yes, I do, and no, I don't. Ready to get started? Let's go! Okay, first up, let's talk about yes, I do. This is what we say when we want to agree with something or say that we like something. For example, look at Tommy here. His friend Anna asks,
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Tommy loves ice cream, right? So he says, yes, I do. It means he agrees and likes ice cream. Let's look at some more examples of yes, I do.
Do you like football?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
See how yes, I do means you agree or say that you like something. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about no, I don't. We use this when we don't like something or when we want to disagree with a question. Now, look at Tommy again.
Do you like broccoli?
No, I don't.
Oh no, Tommy doesn't like broccoli. So what does he say?
No, I don't.
Here's some examples of no, I don't.
Do you like swimming?
No, I don't.
Do you play video games?
No, I don't.
Now it's time to practice. I'll ask you some questions and you have to say, yes, I do or no, I don't.
Do you like pizza? Do you like running? Do you like cycling?
Great job, everyone! You learned how to say, yes, I do, when you like something, and no, I don't, when you don't like something. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert at these phrases. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time!